Hey guys, we're here for another Smash Unbox, okay? But the beauty about this video, even though it's a 10-minute video, guys, this will give you a walkthrough of how to get a 500 plus USD free software and a skin as well from Intel, okay? There's no catch, but instead there's a qualifying requirement here, which is you need to make use or you are using an Intel processor, okay? I will share on the description what are the qualified Intel processor, but you may want to stay here because it's for real. I was able to test it. Okay, so I will share the links that I use here, but guys, this is legit, right? If you're using an Intel processor that is qualified here, you go to this website, okay? I'll share the link here. You go to this website and basically you need to create a login, obviously. Once you create a login, it will give you time to verify your email address, the usual stuff. But once you're able to create the login and verify using your email address, you can log in from here. Okay, encountered some refresh time there, so we'll just do it again, no problem. Okay. Um, let's take this one. Okay, so this is actually the website once you log in. Okay, this is sort of the dashboard of your login. You can see that you have a free Fortnite skin, and all those apps, guys, most of them are video and picture editing. It's for free. I'm not kidding. Okay. First is let's check if we can qualify. All right. Now you can see in my screen. I've tried to download this multiple times already, and I realized that it's not working like this. If I run the exe file, it will open a command prompt, and will try to identify the processor that you're using. Okay. I tried it multiple times, and I discovered I was doing it the wrong way. Okay. So do not download it right away. Okay. Purchase verification, it will basically tell you whether you're qualified, okay? But you don't simply get that. Instead, okay, what you need to do is this, okay? You need to download this exe file, this one that I just clicked, okay? And there will be a download file. Once you have that downloaded, guys, you see that prompt, okay? That's a good sign that you are following the correct process. And there you go. Okay, it's just determined. I'm using obviously a top Asus laptop. What's the processor and whether it's device eligibility. Okay, guess what? It's eligible. So if you have a Asus stuff that you just recently purchased, guys, you may want to do this because it's for free. Okay, let's click on continue. Of course, purchase verification. All right, sure, not a problem. So let's click on that, and then let's click on finish here to go through. Okay. Then, of course, thank you, yada yada. Congratulations, you're qualified for the bonus offer. Okay, so let's exit that. Okay, there you go. On your Intel login, you would see this in your dashboard. That is actually a Fortnite skin for free and expires up to March 31st, of next year, which is fine. Okay. And now, I think Intel is promoting this Intel Gaming Access Program for exclusive offers. Okay. So just go through it, sign into it. Okay. It's legitimate. It's not a scam. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna create that login or basically just capture the details already. So we'll press on continue here. Okay. Then of course acknowledge, give some consent. Okay, just making sure that I understand what am I acknowledging. Then guys, you have to go through on this survey. Okay, you won't be able to skip this one. So just go through it. Okay. Then, I just pick here basically. Just want to make sure because I want it meaningful already since you're doing it already. So, same as originally planned. Okay. Uh, yeah, I think I will go for that one. So it's like, do I have to? Never mind. So I'll just go for same as originally planned next. Then how much software? Okay. Uh-huh. All right, all right. Um, Free Intel software motivate you to purchase. Okay, sure, sure. Or maybe even earlier, so 3 to 6 months. Okay. It's about the features for me. Okay, next, I bought it on in store. So let's submit this part. Then, guys, this once you see this page, those application or software, you can download them for free. I'm not kidding. Okay, so obviously I started first with the Fortnite skin because, in Fortnite skin, guys, it's not cheap. This might cost you probably 2,000 B bucks because it's not just the skin; it's inclusive of some of the pickaxe, etc. Okay, so yeah, there's three parts there, or three. Oh, it will prompt you to log in here. So let's log into Fortnite. Okay, I'm using a Google account there, or Smash. So let's just do allow here. Okay, and actually it will prompt you back to this page. Okay, then from here you're basically gonna click on redeem now. Okay, then download. Okay, so you see guys, you can download 14. That titles mean 14 application or software on that dashboard. So basically, I'm just downloading one out of the 14 right now. Okay, and if it's a bonus, then it's not even counted. How is that, right? It's really a good deal while it lasts. So let's click on download. Okay, initially it's like, okay, what happened there, right? But after reading, it's basically you need to log in to Fortnite again to actually claim, um, yeah, to claim the free skin, pickaxe, and I think even a glider. Okay, so go to Armor Crate. We'll run the Fortnite launcher from here. Okay. I forgot. Okay. Not that one. Okay. This one. So yeah. Well, I recently downloaded Vampire. So we're gonna launch Fortnite from here to to do the last step in claiming those skins or those free. See, friend request. Never mind that. Okay, it's launching. Okay, okay. Honestly, I thought it's not legit and it's a scam, but it's not, guys. So if you're an Intel user and you're eligible to this, spend some time doing this. Okay, it's worth it. What is 10 minutes versus Word 500 US applications that are useful applications. Okay, the skin is bonus if you're playing Fortnite. Okay, so let's wait here. Obviously, it's loading the entire game. Um, but I'm hoping to actually. Okay, let's just close that one. Just want to make sure that I'm not double launching the game here. Okay. All right, there you go. There you go. Okay. It's just showing that obviously I'm using turbo mode on games. All right, all right. Fortnite. Okay, checking for updates. Hmm. This is so interesting, guys, honestly. Okay, and come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Redeeming. I saw some. There you go. Purchase item redeem. Whew. Wow. This is something else. Okay, we'll just go through it the normal logging in process in Fortnite. Let's skip this. By the way, guys, this is the lactose. Um, all right, there you go, guys. How is that? How is that? It's for free. Three of them, right? How is that? That is dope. That is dope. Okay, obviously it's there. I'm just so happy. Let me just do this for a couple of seconds, okay? Nice, 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 nice. See? It's worth the time, guys. So for Fortnite players there, do this. It's worth your time. Otherwise, let's take a look at the available applications or software there. See, there's a lot. Most of them are video editing. There's even one game for free, so I will download that later. But um, these are the applications that you can download there. Most of them are video, picture editing. That's Auto Chess. I think that's a game there. And some video conferencing tool. Okay, okay. Picture editing. All right, guys. Guys. I know we're at the 10-minute mark of the video already, but I really appreciate you hanging on there. I really recommend that you spend time to actually check your eligibility of your Intel, and it's not gonna be bad. A value of 500 USD there, right? You see that? So I'm even screen capturing it, making sure that we have a reference of this one. Okay. Um, but again, I would like to thank you guys for staying on the video. Let me know if you have questions or difficulties, and it's gonna be worth our time getting those applications. Okay, stay safe wherever you are. I wish you and your family take care. This is another Smash Unbox.